One may also ask, do I have to perform ghusl immediately after waking up? The answer is no. If it's not time for you to pray, for example, if someone wakes up after Fajr, and there is like 5 or 6 hours to Dhuhr time, so is he obliged to perform ghusl immediately? The answer is no. He can remain awake, he can or she can cook, go out shopping, sit, etc. They cannot pray, they cannot touch the Quran, and they must not recite the Quran in the state of sexual impurity, major sexual or ritual impurity. How to make the quickest ghusl? Can we do quick ghusl if we want to purify ourselves from menses? The answer is yes. Ghusl is one, which is to intend to uplift the major ritual impurity by covering your whole body with water and turning the water in your mouth and rinsing your nose. So the Sunnah way is to first of all wash your hands 3 times, wash your private part, then wash your hand again with a detergent so that no najasa is there. Then perform wudu, normal wudu, with the exception of the feet, don't wash them. Then take 3 scoops of water and wash your hair thoroughly, reaching the scalp. Then pour water over your whole body, wash your feet, that's it. This is the Sunnah. The other way is just simply take a full shower that cleans your body.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
My question is, I had earrings on and I was doing a ghusl, and then as they were just normal earrings that the water will just go underneath, and I did ghusl. I did move them at some point, but to wash like a specific area of the ear. And then when I came out of the shower and I looked at myself in the mirror, I found that like they were a bit tight, but not too tight, they can move around. So then I doubted like did the water reach, but I moved while I was doing ghusl, so most likely it did reach. I don't think it was dry, but I got those doubts and I was like, is my ghusl valid? Should I repeat it?
The ghusl and the wudu are both valid because we are not obliged to wash or wipe underneath the earrings. So even if you don't have an earring and you just simply wash your ears, you don't have to ensure that it goes inside the hole and that the inside is washed. And likewise, if you have an earring, you're not obliged to remove it when washing for ghusl or wiping for wudu. So both are valid, inshallah.